Today I'm here to tell you about Malco Automotive's newest product, SLIK SiO2 Paint Protectant Spray. SLIK is a quick and easy-to-use drying agent and paint protectant that can be applied wet or dry for extreme gloss and quick water beading up to 60 days. Simply shake your product well, spray onto a wet or dry surface, and wipe off. SLIK can be applied directly after a wash on coated or uncoated paint, glass, plastic, or wheels to add depth of gloss and UV protection. SLIK is different from CR2 in Showroom Shine in that it can be applied wet, immediately feels slick to the touch, and without a curing time. Thanks for watching and checking out Malco Automotive's new product, SLIK SiO2 Paint Protectant Spray. For more information, visit our website, malcoautomotive.com, and make sure to subscribe to our socials, @Malco Automotive.